Hello, I'm Claire Carlisle and I'm a local search expert at BrightLocal. Welcome to this course, the second of our Content for Local SEO courses. In our first course, available here in BrightLocal Academy, we focused on the mainstay of local SEO content, the location page. In this course, we're going to look at some other important types of local content, such as regional landing pages, service and product pages, blogs, and evergreen content types. The course you're watching now will suit organisations looking to build out their understanding of local content strategy and on-page optimisation with a local SEO focus. We'll be approaching creating compelling content for the dual purpose of gaining visibility in the search results and for moving our potential customers through to a conversion, whether that be a phone call, a form fill, an online purchase, or something else. Ideally, you'll have completed BrightLocal Academy keyword course, and if you haven't, you can find it here. There are 8 lessons in this course, with plenty of interactive activities and quizzes along the way. At the end of the course, you can take an exam, and if you pass, you'll get a certificate that you can share on social media to prove your hard work. So, have your keyword research at the ready, and let's begin.